Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, October 7th of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. Yeah, you're back for another stream too? Gamering? Hopefully we on a good week so far. The plan for today's stream is I have a work thing that I have to merge. Cause it touches like 1,000 files, and so maybe 2,000 files. But I'm trying to do it on the weekend so that I don't make too many people conflict. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. Harry KD, thank you for the follow. We're gonna replay this notification from Jaholo, who has resubbed at 37 months. Yeah, I don't like most of the object-oriented patterns. I feel like they're all kind of bad. They're ways to make code hard to read. But thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. And I appreciate you stopping by. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. And then we'll jump into things. Ormus was here before the stream started. JJMC was first. Hello, hello. Kevin is here. Hello, hello. Ormus is still here. Good thing you didn't leave after the stream started. Armchair General. Hello, hello. Meat Sauce, how you doing? Fixture Jake, welcome back. Kevin says, kids almost broke me today. I have a tension headache and just need some time to myself. Thankfully, Jenny sent me upstairs to enjoy a beer and stream. Jenny knows what's good. Beer time? I'll show you mine if you show me yours. I can go get a... Do you want to go get me a beer? No? Okay. Well, I'll get it at my break then. Snipe Bunny, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Frank Timer says, if you care about math videos, someone just released something. Okay, cool. I haven't cared about math in a while. I do like math, but I've gotten to the point where I don't really use it all that often, so it's mostly just for... I use a lot of stats. And by use a lot of stats, I think a lot about stats. Mostly for shiny Pokemon. But yeah. Saram, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Harry KD, welcome, welcome. Eccleston or Tenet, says Harry KD. I feel like most people don't really like Eccleston. I feel like Tenet is like the classic that you think of when you think of modern Doctor. Yeah. I don't know. Clara was the best. The best. What are they even called? The person that flies around with the Doctor. Anyway. Companion. Companion. That's the word. I did find Capaldi. I didn't like him at first, but he was entertaining towards the end. Fallen Cato, hello, hello, welcome back. It has been a while. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Marsma. Thank you for the resub at 34 months. Thank you for your continued support. Even if you just stopped by to click resub button, I still appreciate it. It's good to see you. Metal Storm's here. Hello, hello. As it's more ATI. How you doing? I love how all the design patterns are actually just functions in Lisp. Curious? Yeah. Oh, has Kevin shown me the beer? Oh. And balls. Beer plus balls. Oh, I guess I can show this on screen. Beer plus balls. Look at that. I'll go get mine. I'll go get my beer. Deed Elspeth here says I'm not here. You can't make me. Okay. Jahola's rebooting. Sounds good, sounds good. Clara best companion, let's go. True. True. Marsma, hello, hello. While he had a nice coming of age, he went from grumpy to caring. I think that was kind of the idea. Yeah. Evan says, you know the drill, Anthony. I'm currently learning a new language. Which one? If you guess it right, there will be subs. Oh boy. Can you give me a hint? Can you give me a hint? Here, you give me a hint. I'll be right back with a beer. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, I'm back. We have la fin du monde. It's the end of the world. Oh, it's only 9%? I thought it was 11. Okay, this is gonna be not so bad. Harry KT says, I use everything you wrote at work. It's a lifesaver. I'm glad you enjoyed Harry KT. We're gonna be hopefully working on it a little bit today. Let me see what Kevin's hint is to see if I can guess his programming language. Oh shit. Freshman poor there. Not terrible poor. Marta says you stream when I'm asleep. Oh, that's fair, that's fair. That's fair. It's a Haskell. Last time I mixed beer and balls, it didn't go too well. Oh no. Poncato says, I hope you've been well. Just wanted to pop in. Quick for the first time, however long it's been. It has been a bit. I feel like it's been like a month or two. Let me see. Twitch can tell me. Messages. Oh, you popped in on my birthday for one message. Oh, fucking 2021. My god, it's been years. What? I thought you were here more recently. It's been a really long time. Shit. It's not Zig and Haskell. Detail says it's Java. Yeah. He's learning French, says Spyro. Yeah, imagine. People guessing a bunch of language. Here's a hint. It's not Java, Odin, Ruby, PHP, Clojure, OCaml, Haskell, JavaScript, TypeScript, C#, Zig, Rust, Elixir, Erlang, C8 or Jai. I don't even know what Jai is. Someone guessed Mojo. Yeah, there's no way. Is it Kotlin? I do like Kotlin. Can you give me like the genre of language? Oh, also I have a new dashboard. These are currently all of my shiny Pokemon resetters. This one is the 3DS downstairs. This is the GameCube game on the Wii in the basement. And these two are switches. And this is how many resets they've done. This one's getting up there. It's functional programming. Imagine it's like F# or something. I feel like details. I feel like Kevin wouldn't F#. Storm Salmon, hello. With a I like how this emote has just been like stolen by so many people. Because it's originally from, what's her name? I met her at TwitchCon. No, it's a Minecraft YouTuber. Which, she had like a box on her head for the longest time. And she did face reveal at TwitchCon. But I saw her face before the face reveal. Because she was putting on her costume in the partner lounge. Yeah. What is her name? Minecraft. No, I don't want to search that. Minecraft YouTuber with box on head. Cat. Cup toast. Yeah, toast. Cup toast. Crumb. It's Crumb's emote, but stolen. Wait, closed beta? No, I think that's talking about JAI. I don't know any functional programming languages. If it's not Haskell. There's no way it's F#. Also, Storm Salmon, welcome. Yeah, I don't even, let's see. Popular FP languages. Are you fucking kidding me? Google, what? Are you stupid? Java is not an FP. Neither are any of these. Haskell and Scala are. Wait, is Scala on your list? Is Scala on your not list? I'm gonna guess Scala then. Scala's gonna be my guess. Elixir? I thought Elixir was on the list. Yeah, it's not Elixir either. Why is fucking why? I feel like Elm is too close to the other ones. It's probably not that. I get another guess because you forgot to mention Scala. Fuck. I feel like you like languages that start with an E. It's not Elm either. Fucking A. I feel like Kotlin's not a functional programming language, but you also sort of said maybe to DDLs. I don't know. What are you doing with this programming language? Oh, also, we're gonna do a little bit of worky stuff real quick. I have a branch to merge, and then we're gonna let a deploy happen. Shizu says Java, etc. They're a mixed paradigm language. Yes, but they're not an FP language. Like, I wouldn't say that Java is a functional programming language. I'm doing functional programming stuff in it. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck, I'm not logged in. Damn it. I gotta log into my work password manager. Hang on a sec. Neuroflow, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You would download an SDK. Just because you don't like Java doesn't mean it's not functional. I don't dislike Java. I am fine writing Java. I dislike my team being converted to a Java team when I did not sign up for that. That was the actual problem with Stripe. Well, among other things. Hang on, I gotta log into GitHub. Then I can click this button. Okay. Boop. Download an SDK. I mean, that could be anything. But yeah, anyway, so I wrote this little script which abuses the shit out of the internals of pyupgrade. Kind of hard to see, but I am monkey patching 3 attributes to make it rewrite all these imports for me. And it touched 1700 files, and GitHub absolutely hates this pull request. Sometimes it doesn't even load this. Going in this language fairly pessimistic, and I've been enjoying it a lot more than I want to admit. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna say scheme, even though I don't think scheme is needs an SDK. Amaranth says more ATI. Orman says I caught a shiny alpha Pokemon in Legends Arceus. Yo, Shelfas are sick. I recently caught a Shelfa Snorlax. It's F sharp. I was right. I should have fucking stuck to F sharp. That was my first guess. Damn it. Ah, ruined. Yeah, F sharp's actually really nice. I wrote a tiny bit of F sharp and I was like, ooh, this is actually kind of nice. Oh my god. What? Kevin, but I got it wrong right. Okay, one of the buttons is free. Here you go. Here's a few more. Thank you for the 10 gift subs, Kevin. What the fuck? To welcome to Subs and Blast for the Knackle Eric, Night Camper, Rollers, Data Dev, Edgewonka, Easy Light, Patsy, Twitch Addiction, and Tyrn. Kubernetes says definitely not F sharp, lol. Yeah, it's true. But yeah, anyway, so the import rewriter is making all of our imports absolute, because right now this file here is a bunch of star imports, which makes test discovery, app startup, type checking, fucking everything, import the entire code base all the time. And this is the first step to deleting those star imports, is to rewrite most of the imports, and then I'm going to do a second round where I clean them up and then enforce it. You do it. Oh my god, Kevin, what the fuck? You do have a fancy new badge. Kevin just got the 450 gift subs badge. Oh no. Officially a VIP 2-year shrimp. 2 years? You only have the 2-year badge because I don't have any bigger badges than that. Problematic Bear, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, 3 years, Kevin. That's how that math works. Kubernetes says, I picked up F# last weekend, really liking it so far, but I'm very green in FP. I have a stupid idea to use Bolero to try to use it in full stack. I don't know what Bolero is, but that sounds cool. Coincidence that both you started F# stuff. That's kind of cool. But yeah, anyway. Giant, massive code rewrite. I'm a little sad because this is going to ruin my GitHub stats. I'm going to have to work really hard to get back to negative lines of code, but this is kind of just magic, big PR, so I don't feel so bad. But I'm merging this on a weekend because it's going to make everyone merge conflict. Bolero's WebAssembly, same as Blazor. Wait, Blazor? Isn't Blazor their like template thing? Blazor templates. I thought Blazor was backend. Oh, Blazor WASM. Maybe they ported it to WASM? So it can be front end too? I remember when Razor just came out. Is Blazor like the Razor new? I remember typed templates were so good. Wait, what the fuck? Is it broken? Wait, did I broke it? Follow age. Shaz robot. Oh my god, it's fucking broken. Okay, well. The follow age command is probably broken right now. We can probably debug that. Outdated version has resubbed at 40 months. Holy shit. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Always good to see you, outdated version. Cat Peasant has also resubbed at 29 months as I have been banned for cutting up Noodle. Oh god, what did you do to Noodle? Oh no. Why are there just 3 middle Noodle segments? Blazor is their single page app, WASM app framework. Oh, I see. No, yeah, you were right, Kubernetes. I was confusing Blazor and Razor. It's nice, but it's not 100% prod ready. I feel like, I don't know, people have been saying WASM is the future for the last 10 years. Maybe even more. And I feel like it's almost there. It's almost fast enough and usable. Soon. .NET 8 is adding hybrid Blazor so you can have server rendered or WASM client rendered in the same app. Oh, that's pretty cool. Evan says, Anthony's paying $350 to the first person who submits a PR. Oh, to fix the follow age? It's probably a credentials thing. Problematic Bear, hello, how you doing? Yeah, I'm trying to get a shiny Venusaur at the moment. Oxy says, pretty sure Twitch deprecated the follower VI. Fucking again? Oh my god, this is the second time they've done this. Annoying. Oh, it's so annoying. What API? We'll see what API I'm using. Oh, this is the wrong browser. I am going to open up our deploy tool. This is the janky one. Okay, it started. It started! Hooray! I'm gonna close a bunch of these tabs because surely I don't need them. Oh, there's also a new thing that I haven't tried yet. My team has been working on like a newer, nicer deployment visualizer. Oh, look at that. Oh wait, I can't show this. Because it shows the actual customer names. Never mind, I can't show this. I remembered that at the last second. Good thing you didn't see it. So we'll look at the old one that just says customer 4 and customer 5. Which, wait a minute, why is customer 4 and customer 5 deploying? Is someone else working on a Saturday too? WASM bundle is just too big. It's the first Lotus though. Yeah. Wormus says, have you tried out anything with WASM? I did the like. Oh, this isn't good. Oh no. An error occurred trying to start process with directory. Argument list too long. Oh no. Wait, what the fuck? What does it do? Argument list too long? Yeah, I mean, no surprise there. But what did it actually try and run? Well, hopefully this doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. I did try the Python WASM stuff. A new thing that I've been seeing a lot recently is people taking C binaries, compiling them to WASM, and then running them in Python with WASM. Which is kind of cool. Wait, are you... No, you're not the person I know. MDTRO, you have like the same handle as somebody I work with, but like slightly different. Their server-side Blazor is cool because it just opens a WebSocket to the server and then it just sends HTML diffs through the pipe. Oh, that's so cool. Crazy fast is hard to scale. Yeah, what I have not seen, I have not seen a good strategy to scale WebSockets, but I also have not done a lot of research on this. But Whisper, hello, how you doing? Good to see you. Didn't see what? So we made this dashboard is really fucking hard for people to use because GoCD is not really optimized for people. I think it's fine, but then again, I've dealt with shittier systems, so at least it's okay there. Oh wait, are you actually my coworker, MDTRO? Oh, hello. Have you shown up on a Saturday to wonder why the fuck I'm deploying? Which fair enough. But yeah, we have a better we call it deploy view. No, maybe that's what we called it lift. I don't know, we call it something. But we have like a nicer version of this that is easier to understand. Well, easier for layman's to understand. And so yeah, we use this one. This is the actual render of the deploy, and then we have like a front end on top of it because hard to see, hard to understand. But I'm hoping that this failure here doesn't matter, because I think this is just the like tagging it part. I hope. I mean, famous last words. I hope it doesn't matter. I think it should be fine. I can't believe you're trying to arm ref the internet. All right. I saw a C++ library who had compiled all the examples into WASM and used that to show how it works. I think it's really cool for docs too, because like you can run live examples in the browser. Sorry, I'm burping so much. It's the beer. So I think the new hybrid stuff in .NET 8 is going to be cool combined with WASM, server-side rendered WebSocket stuff. Excited to play with it. Yeah, it should be really cool. And Storm says, what do you mean by scale WebSockets? Like one message to many clients, or one server being able to support many connections? So the entire like difficult problem with scaling WebSockets is, well, scaling traditional servers is quote unquote easy because it's a lot of short-lived requests, and so you can fan them out and have many web servers service short requests over and over and over. The tricky part with WebSockets is they are long-lived connections. They basically like open a connection and leave it somewhat active for a very, very long time. And so you need to have something that's servicing that long-running connection. And that usually means, at a naive at a naive level, each WebSocket is one file descriptor, and so you're dealing with, a really popular website. You're dealing with millions of file descriptors open on some centralized IP address that needs to proxy through to a bunch of other stuff. Now, usually they just cheat and you have a big centralized connection server that can deal with all of that, but it's a different scaling problem than your traditional load balancer and short-lived connections. But I don't know too much about it. It sounds, every time I've tried to do it, it's like, oh, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. This isn't working. It's good enough. I don't have that many clients, so I don't have to deal with actually scaling WebSockets. But Facebook uses WebSockets for all sorts of stuff, and most chat clients use WebSockets to do their stuff. And so clearly someone has figured out how to scale this. I just haven't learned it yet. Kevin says, in my current gig, we have a coding task during interviews, which is to score a game of bowling. Quite an interesting exercise. I see almost every developer fall into the same trap, trying to merge roles into frames and then get stuck. I guess the gist being that they make it harder than it needs to be. Oh, yeah. I mean, I feel like that's not that hard of a problem, but yeah, I can see where people would get confused there. Also, if you've never gone bowling, I feel like it would be a difficult problem to ask. Akira DK? Oh, look at this shit. This is wrong browser. Wrong VM. Look at this shit. What keyboard is that? And look at the bot knows. The bot fucking knows. Bot's so good. Nick, hello, welcome back. I remembered to just call you Nick this time. Good to see you again. WebSockets need persistent connections. Yes, this is the whole how to scale WebSockets part. Harry KD says, I work at telecom and VoIP company. We use a proxy to scale WebSockets. Envoy. Hey, at least you probably run a stable version of this. This has cost me so many hours of sleep. Fucking running alpha main branch version of Envoy at Lyft. Fuck Matt Klein. What an asshole. Nick, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you subscribing. And congrats on your first fancy badge. I'm still salty about Envoy. I mean, it's great if it were stable. The problem is running some madman's C++ concoction in prod is a nightmare. The same man that writes C++. Oh boy. I usually don't salt this much on stream, but the same mans that wrote Envoy did not understand API compatibility. Did not understand that, oh, if I target libc on Ubuntu 20.04, maybe I probably can't run it on Ubuntu 16.04. 4 years of libc and, oh yeah, glibc compatibility, really good, but not in the other direction. And then, despite our what do they call it? Ops team? No. Infra team? No, what would they call it? Provisioning team. Despite provisioning team being like, Matt, you can't compile on 20.04 and then run it in prod on 16.04. Matt was like, I don't know. You don't know what you're talking about. And then shipped it to prod. Sure enough, glibc, blah, blah, blah. Symbol missing. Ugh. Anyway. Envoy. I've got scars from that shit. There was a good talk by Slack at Strange Loop. They use WebSockets on their clients, and it's a good example of its limitations. Oh yeah, Slack must run tons and tons of connections. Metal Star says, I asked because we did a synthetic load test last weekend for our game. We aimed for 1 million connected players, each with their own multiple WebSockets. We got to about 800K before we started seeing problems. It wasn't with WebSockets, it was with other stuff. We were sending 10K messages per second through WebSockets. Damn, that's pretty good. Kevin says, I think that's the beauty of this exercise. It's not hard, but you still have to think about it a bit before starting, since scoring requires you to either backtrack or peek forward, depending on how you go about scoring. Yeah, it's true, because a lot of bowling is dependent on... I mean, I don't even remember how strike scoring works. I don't even remember how strike scoring works. So yeah, there's definitely some like complexity there that that I don't even remember. But Axe 8M, welcome. How you doing? Harry Katie says, OMG, it sucks, but it works. Except when it doesn't. Lamau. Most people approach it incorrectly, thus making an easy problem hard. Yeah. I mean, I used to ask a problem that was essentially a for loop, and man, so many people did not do well at it. Joel says, Envoy, is this MTLS sidecar thing for Kubernetes? That's one use of it. It's a generic level 7 proxy. Sorry. It's a proxy. You can use it as a service discovery system. You can use it as a load balancer. You can use it as an MTLS sidecar. You can use it for service requests. You can use it for push notifications. You can use it for all sorts of fucking shit. You can run it on phones, which is the insane thing that we did. Lyft bundled Envoy into the mobile app and then registered the phone clients as Envoy nodes. Absolutely insane shit, but you know, whatever Matt Klein said got done. Strike is add up the next 2 values, spare is add up the next one. Okay, I did know that one. Got it. If you strike in the last frame, you get to bonus rolls. Yeah, I remember I used to go bowling once a week. In high school. And I remember I had this like insane game where I was like barely gonna break 100. That was my goal every time I went, was to break 100 at least once. I was barely gonna break 100, and then I struck out the last like 4 frames. So I threw, what, 6 strikes in a row? David! Thank you for the follow. Welcome. An Istio alternative. Istio is actually Envoy. Envoy in a trench coat. Oh, somebody already said that. Outdated version said that. Meshing tool with lots of feature. It isn't Kubernetes only, things like Linkerd. Yeah. Wait, they did what? Insane shit. I read a bit about it on Reddit. Most people were like, shit complex, only use it when you really need it. Yeah, it tries to be everything. Yes, it's really bad at everything, but it tries to be everything. And it's a big pile of C++ that doesn't have very good tests. Oh, also, if your YAML is malformed, it segfaults. Why is Envoy segfaulting? Maybe because you shoved garbage YAML into it. Why does a proxy need to parse YAML? Better question. Absolutely insane shit. Okay, but anyway. Alright, this is doing its thing, I think, in theory. Our tests take a little bit of time to run, so it is probably waiting on these to succeed. Yeah. And no one has yelled at me yet, so we're calling this a success so far. Garbage YAML oxymoron? Yeah. Oh, no, and it's more redundant. Telecom is a big pile of C and C++ that doesn't have good tests. Yeah, I mean, Envoy is right at home there. Okay, anyway. Oh, I already talked about this. I've got a new little dashboard that I use for my shiny hunting. And another thing that I have done is I like to check this around the house. So I've made a little local web server so that I can yes, from bed. I like to check my shiny Pokemon dashboard from bed. You happy now? Yeah. I've said it how it is. Any other things you would like to add? Yeah. Okay. No notes? What are you playing? Australia. Whoa. Okay. Anyway, so I can now. Oh fuck! Wait, this is a problem. Oh, it's probably fine. It just reset. Huh. I need to take a screenshot here because I've seen this happen a few times. Actually, SSH old laptop. Gramps. Is it capital stalled? Yeah. Stalled log.crocona. Oh god. It's failed a bunch of times in this state. I should really fix that. Daistco, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You'll also like to check in on it when you're pooping. Well, I usually don't bring my phone in the poopers. Sometimes I do, but not always. And before Grafana deployment for Pokemon? I hope it doesn't get to that point. But stalled in state, find them. Yeah, I gotta fix this. I think it's that I don't press one of the buttons for long enough, or it starts too early. I'm actually surprised that this is the only state that's really, because I feel like the other ones were more problematic. But yeah, I was F sharp, Junk Time Lord. My first guess was right, and I should have stuck with it, but I did not. Oh yeah, and I'm using Tmux. Wow, look at this. Wow, look, Tmux. Wow. Oop, not window 2. There's no window there. Harry says, I'm actually using Envoy to store the state of some simple state machines as a cache. Envoy is now Redis. You heard it here first. Okay. Gonna let this continue to deploy. Just gonna keep checking on this every once in a while. But hopefully it should, oop. This is what we want to look at. Can I do this? No, cannot. I had a pipeline grouping that let me view this, but we keep changing the name, so. The reason we used it is because it had so many capabilities, it sucks at all of them. Yeah. Mom says we have Redis at home. Yeah, that's very true. Okay, let's try and fix the follow age. Let's figure out what. Oh, this is the wrong VM. Let's figure out why it's broken. We might just kill that feature because I mean it's cool, but Helix user follows. Which Helix users follows. I don't know how to use the new Helix API in 2020, and surely it's broken now. Yes, we can probably breakpoint here, and surely there's an error message, right? Because I set the username. User details test follow age. Oh, I fucking spelled your name wrong. Oops, pay no attention to that. Fucking bullshit. God, I hate Twitch. Fucking dicks. How do I get this now? Fucking dicks. Get channel followers now requires the user have user access token to both moderate or read follows and have either the user ID match that Oh my god, why did it just jump around? Hello? Helix channels followers. What's the URL I'm using? Helix users follows. Ridiculous. Moomy, hello, hello. Good to see you. And the Twitch following site I was using isn't working anymore either. They deprecated the API because they didn't like people looking at others' follows. Really annoying. That's really annoying. Irma says, a bit of a different question. How are you handling keyboard input in Babby? The text editor I'm working on keeps segfaulting when I press escape. Babby just uses curses. Outdated version says when the CTO says you need to be more modern and use proxies with meshes. Morishak, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. There is some like special escape handling in Babby because curses has some problems. But yeah, our CTO only has a master's in electrical and comms, doesn't know any other languages other than C, and thinks other languages are inferior. Classic C brain. What? Broadcaster ID string. Is this their username? God, I hope fucking TMI has this. Otherwise, such bullshit. All right, let's Helix, what was it? Helix channels followers. And then user ID. Oh, I guess we can see what the example is. Yeah, these are numbers. Why? What? Numbers of type string. Fucking Twitch. Fucking garbage. Okay, user ID. It should be this one. This would be broadcaster. Unauthorized. Fucking A. All right. Well, we got two choices here, chat. We'll give it a poll. Do we kill follow age? Yes. Delete all the code. No. Figure out BS crud stuff. Oh. Well, we don't have enough characters for that. Alright, chat. You vote on whether this feature goes away. Earth Tank, hello, how you doing? When I was new, he made me write simple scripts in C. Using this scripting C compiler he made. Oh god, what? Terrifying. Morishak, hello. That is an interesting hello hand. Mom said we have Clang at home? Yeah. Or Cling at home. Is that what Cling is? Yeah. Oh boy. Not using curses, I got my own header-only library parsing escape codes. On curses in C++, too horrible to write. Get. Not great. Drink Time Watch says, thanks a lot for the system design interview. I was wondering how all these courses seem to boil down to load balancers and queues plus workers. Yeah, that is pretty true. God damn it. Why is the results overwhelmingly no? Figure out the bullshit creds. Oh no. Oh no. It's a GET request, so it's going to be strings. I mean, technically, yeah, but they're stringy ints. Numbers too large for JSON, so they cast int 64 to strings. We do that at work too. Yeah, Sentry does that also because JavaScript. Misty's nuts, hello! Good to see you again. How you doing? Just as yo, let's fucking go. Look at the bot. Look at the bot being pull unclear. Where's the rewrite in an camel? How you doing, Preox? Hello. Chat do be a little trolling because torture. You're right. The type should have been ints. Surviving. Good to hear. Good to hear. Aren't Unix timestamps default strings in Node? Yeah, because JavaScript. Because everything's afloat. Just as, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Oh boy. My beard's gone, almost. Okay, we've entered sloppy zone. Okay. Are you deploying to dev yet? Or to prod? Why is this taking so long? Fucking backend test 5 and 9. They're always the slow ones. Doge Dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome. This could be the time to write a follow age microservice. No. Oh, I gotta figure out why someone's pinging me on Slack. And they're like, why are you deploying on a Saturday? Oh no, it's the chatbot telling me that the deploy is proceeding. Alright, we're good. PosXFi says, do you prefer fast API when creating a new API? Absolutely not. Harry Katie says, I'm too dumb to learn FP. Oh no. Crack says, I be doing. Last few days of vacation. Read many good pages of books. Wrote many pages of good book. Oh, you're writing a book? That sounds cool. Learn some HTMX. Yeah. I've seen the memes on Twitter. Entry upper management hating on you? Listen, too true, Kevin. Why don't you? Because why the fuck would I write fast API? Metastorm says, in the Res code, here's a Pokemon joke. What is Stunseed backwards? I've watched the Smollett clip already. In fact, I watched the stream where it happened. It's an actual item in Mystery Dungeon. These nuts? Yeah. They actually put a D's nuts item into the game. Chickalall says, what server cloud provider does Sentry use? Google Cloud, and I fucking hate it. It fucking sucks. Fast API works me due to single maintainer and really slow contribution process. Yeah. So a funny thing about Fast API, Work wanted me to do like an AMA with the guy on my stream, and I was like, well, it's kind of a meme in my chat that I don't use any of their software, so I feel like it's not a good fit, you know? So I mean, it would have been maybe funny if I was like, hi, why the fuck would I use your shit? But I didn't. PosX5 says, when will the GIL be removed? Well, funny you asked that, because there's a video about it. And I think there's a PR, maybe? Steve-O Bandito! Yo, it's good to see you again. It's been a bit. Thank you for your continued support. I hope you're doing well, and welcome back. The thing I prefer about GCP to AWS is that all regions are in one view. The thing I prefer about AWS to GCP is you can limit the items just the region you're in. Yeah. Well, the thing I don't like about GCP is it seems like Google doesn't want anyone to actually use it, which is fun. I feel like GCP is just like a fucking pain in the ass to use. But that's the way things go. ADC present the roast stuff. That would have been so funny. Fire Squid, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, most of my problems with Fast API and Friends are their run type checking, and it just makes any sort of other type checking a pain in the ass. We added fucking Pydantic at work, and I fought it so hard, and then everyone was like, "No, what are you talking about? This is gonna be a problem." And sure enough, right after it landed, like MyPy incompatibility, like weird hacks to make it work correctly. We're not even using it correctly. We're turning off the runtime type checking. We build classes at runtime. Like the whole fucking point is that you statically define these things, and yeah, we just hack the shit around it. Really annoying. The only thing is it might be removed in Rust Python before C Python. Yeah, because Rust has better thingy things for this. Tiamatito says, I watched most of your system design interview the other day. I was happy I could generally guess what you were going to talk about next while watching. I mean, if you've done them before, it's fairly okay. Misty's note says, Fast API fits in my pedantic-driven development. If you like it, go for it. This is not me. The question is, have you ever tried other Python runtimes before in production? I've run PyPy in production. Rust Python's way too fucking slow to run in production. Python is fucking dead. So don't use that garbage. Exchange says, God, I hate Pydantic too much. Yeah. You have to understand the craziness behind GCP's thought process and understand how the console works. Well, the crazy thing about GCP is Google doesn't fucking use it. GCP is the like reject shit that they're like, we'll try and sell this. But they operate at a huge loss for it. But I don't know. I honestly think in like 5 years GCP will not exist. And everyone will have to scramble to port to a different cloud provider. But see what happens there. I'm always happy. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Steven Benito says, yeah, but I have imposter syndrome and generally think that I'm a total pleb. No, you're good. You're good. I found out about TriCast. I don't need Pydantic anymore. Yeah, TriCast is also interesting. DL says, imagine saying Jython is dead. Some of us are in an unfortunate situation where we have to use it. Sucks to suck. Sounds like work coming up for the cloud guys. Yeah. Igorovic says, Google killing another project? Impossible. Yeah. But there is somewhere in here a patch that gets most of the no-gil stuff working. And Dead Snakes Nightly. Somewhere in here. No, that's not what I wanted. In theory, as soon as it is supported, how do I this one? As soon as it lands in 3.13, there will be a build for it. It's technically already being built, but the no-gil stuff actually hasn't landed, so it just looks like a weird Python for now. But hey, you could do some fun pip installs and be like, what? Why is someone... How is this possible? Haven't you heard the news? Google will support Pixel 8 for at least 6 years? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen either. Boca Mouth, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's pretty impressive to me that Amazon.com, Prime, Twitch for IVS all run on AWS compared to Google that just uses Borg or whatever internally. Yeah, Google doesn't use any of their cloud shit internally, which is why part of the reason that it's so bad. But also Google's internals, they have significantly different demands than any of their public cloud products do. So I totally get it. But okay, anyway, what the fuck was I doing? Oh, we have to figure this shit out. If I remember correctly, this requires making an app. Hang on a sec. TMI Twitch. This one. As of September 17th, 2013. Motherfuck. That is really old. I think I did this already. Yeah, this should have moderation actions. Maybe if I just regenerate the token, it'll be fine. Fire Squid, hello, hello. How you doing? Oh boy, I missed so much chat. The idea of opaque optimizations always make life difficult and weird in the long run. Yeah. Go say that GKE is dope compared to AKS or EKS. Yeah, GKE does give you a lot more direct control over stuff. Oh my god, I just tried to print. What am I doing? I gotta log into my other account. So give me a sec. Yeah, GKE does give you a lot more control over the actual Kubernetes plane, which is kind of nice. But and yeah, and AKS is always way behind. This one. Anthony writes code bot. Oh my fucking god. Stupid ass. Oops. Obviously Twitch does not have YubiKey secondary factor. It's starting to get chilly here in Michigan. Oh my god. What's this? Surprised they sent it from 415. Blah 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 blah. Most telecom install on their own hardware. AWS is very enticing to manage it. Oh yeah, I mean, if you don't have to manage your own servers, then much easier. Although I feel like with telecom, there's some tricky bits to that. Wait, what is the TMI thing? Where did it go? TMI, Twitch. Yeah, I know you're still getting my face. Don't worry about it. I gotta look at some creds, so. TMI OAuth scopes. There's this other website that also gives scopes. Oh my god. Fucking I don't want to deal with this today. So we're gonna not deal. We're just gonna leave follow age broken for now, and I'll leave it as a to-do to work on later. Because fuck Twitch, an asshole. Fix follow age. Annoying. Telecom, honestly, I feel like they should be self-hosted. Running a data center sucks. It's 4C outside? Damn, it's way colder there than it is here. We have to store data in country and have to have servers. AWS does regions and hence reduce costs, but management can fire people. Yeah. AWS claims 6 nines SLA. That's too many nines. But yeah, it depends on the servers. Like S3 is maybe that number of nines, but I feel like the other ones are not. But yeah. You don't even have to refrigerate your meats. Wait, where's my edit? I just edited this. GitHub. You would think submitting an edit to a wiki would immediately reflect it, at least in your own browser. But no, they've fucked that shit too. Oh, is this the website that I've been looking for a long time? Holy shit. What about if we put in like centuries uptime? I'm just kidding. Wow, we can go down for 72 days a year? I'm joking. It's a bad joke. It's a bad joke. It's not real. Speaking of bad joke, oh my god. Did CI really fail? No one runs the test on weekends, so this is probably just a fucking test flake. This is a timeout? Internal server error. Oh my fucking god, this is the fucking... This sucks. So much. SSL error. Someone disabled all these tests. Performance detection. Well, surely a retry will succeed. Kegsit, hello, how you doing? A German 5.9's joke. Is it reliable? 9. Is it fast? 9. Is it cheap? 9. I love that. Now the question is, if I rerun this, will it work? Otherwise I'm gonna have to revert this and start over another day because our tests are... Okay, anyway. I want to fix this bug. We're gonna try and fix this bug today. Ignore all this shit. Double quote string fixer does support 312, but maybe in the not right way. So we're gonna make it support it in a better way. Yeah. Oh god. We actually haven't worked on this repo in a long time. So this will be fun. Okay, so basically the problem is... what is it even called? String fixer. I feel like all the modules don't match each other. Yeah. Okay, so the problem is if we have... If we have or nested f strings. Actually, we can do this. Which is a thing that I did not know about when I first wrote this. Oh, it should be the other way around. Because otherwise it won't rewrite it. Oops, that should be a double quote. Yeah. Yeah. Why? Oh, because it has to initialize the hooks. That's Z. Thank you for the or welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. For convenience, there are specialized CEO friendly links at the bottom. Wait, is that actually a thing? Hold on. That's good. I like that. I want to see. Oh, CEO and SEO friendly links. Yeah, 3.9 is kind of insane. It's real cool though. Okay, so if we do 311, this should pass, and then 312, it will fail. So we'll have to do some special fixing for 312. So the funny thing is, I actually thought about this. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, because these are main. Yeah, we're gonna ignore those. But this was supposed to pass. Okay, yeah. And if we do weird 312, it should have failed. We have to fix 312, which shouldn't be hard. Why is it so slow? But yeah. Yeah, so right now it's rewriting inside the F strings, and we just need to fix that. Pre-commit hooks. Wow, this is really slow. So we need to say if string depth equals 0, if token type is tokenized dot, oh wait, string depth plus equals 1. That should fix it. Winter again. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. These are Pragma. I think that's the way this works. These are only 312 stuff. Then up here we have to do if this version info is 312, then and Pragma 3.12 cover. I think that works. 8 nines is easier than expected. Because you don't actually have 8 nines. It's 8 nines, but in a different way. I like it. Use a list of characters as a mutable string. Yeah, string IO is probably better, but I think this. I want to say. I don't know. I didn't write this. This is really old. Wolf Paint, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It could probably be much faster. Okay, but that should work. In theory. Neros Morgan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Hooray! And then just making sure that it still works in 3.11. Also, I should make sure that we don't see string fixer in here. We don't? Good. 3.11 works too. Cool. Okay, that was actually easier than I thought it was going to be. How's your game? Are you having fun? Oh yeah? Are you going to start saying cut?
Oh, we're still here.
What? I didn't say the word, it's fine! Oh boy, wait, why is somebody pinging on Slack? Oh. It's the alert that CI is failing. Yeah, hopefully the retry will pass. Okay, string fixer 312. Don't rewrite strings inside. Well, maybe we should make it an option. Yeah, maybe we'll make an option. Fuck. What I fucking hate. I don't like this feature. Put extra effort into it. Yeah. Don't rewrite string quotes. Cool. Ooh, I logged into my password manager. Look at me. Do 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 do. Oh. There's another problem here, which is that an if string without any fun bits in it will no longer be written. I just don't care. I don't fucking care. Oh, there was an issue. Resolve 971. Cool. Alright, so let one merge. Texas says, I do love tokenizing 312 plus F strings. I feel like it's good and bad. I feel like it's I mean it's probably the right thing to do. But boy is it a pain in the ass. It breaks a lot of linter code formatters. People are real angry about it. The good, the bad, and the ugly, yeah. Mostly ugly. Mostly like a lot of stuff that used to work silently does the wrong thing. Which like I feel like that's a lot of Python releases is previous stuff that worked. Oh, that's weird. The DLC check just failed. But it looks like my script is handling it. Oh. It's failed twice in a row. Am I connected to the internet? Can you in chat still hear me? Are the DLC servers down for Nintendo? How many times has it gone through this? Oh, it just worked for one. Weird. Downloadable content cannot be played. Well that sucks. I might need to restart my Switch. We'll give it one more try and then we'll restart the switch. One more after this. Okay, I can merge this. I'm actually gonna release this. Nintendo wants to know your location, yeah. Loud and clear? Okay, we're still working. Okay, we're gonna restart my Switch. After this fails, we'll Control C. Sometimes I've seen that taking my Switch and hold on the power button and then restart. Look, there's two of me. I'm surprised how reflective that is. Plug you back in. And then surely DLC check will work now, right? Maybe? Ooh, oh, I didn't want to start that quickly. Stop. Okay, now I can start it. I needed the controller to do its little boot up sequence. Check what date and time it is. Yeah, it works now. Okay. Yeah, so there's a memory leak in the DLC check and in the app startup on a Switch. And rebooting a Switch about 2,000 times, or loading a game about 2,000 times, or 3,000 times? 3,000 times. Causes all network connections to just infinitely hang. And because I'm in a DLC area here, it does that a lot quicker. This Switch down here doesn't do any network checks, so I don't think it will hit that problem. But we'll see. Too many values to unpack. Me at the therapist. Damn. That too true. Okay. I feel like I haven't released this in a while, so it's time to do a release. Yeah. Get log one line first parent decorate. Yeah, a lot of auto update. Updog. Okay, so this will be 450. Oh, it's been almost a year. 2023 10/7? Is that today? 10/7. Nice. 857. Ooh, cool. Features. Features. Also, oh, I guess requirements, text fixer. Also, sort constraints by default. 857 PR by Live Blit. Was there an issue? 830. 830 issue by that guy. I'm addicted to Schweppes apple. How do I stop? I don't even know what that is. That is 3.8 plus. Migrating. Recommit hooks now requires Python 3.8, 926 and 927. PR 926. Oh, 926 PR by me. 927 PR by me. 931. What are you? Probably a typo. Type 942. BPDB. The bug statements. Oh, we did colons for the ones below, so we'll do this here as well. Periods at the end? What am I doing? So much work. BPDB debugger. You fixed your seg fault. Nice. Still working on the big work release. It is rerunning tests right now. It's gotten further than last time. It's rerunning the deploy right now. So yeah, still working on it slowly. MWhip. Also MWhip. 941, 942. 942 PR by MWhip. 941 issue by MWhip. 944 feels like a bug fix. Fixes. File contents sorter. Fix sorting an empty file. 944 PR by Roll Ages. I feel like they're a Twitch viewer. Their name seems familiar. Chatting on a yoinked phone. Hello, how you doing? I was always reading myvec1 even though there was only one element in the vector. Oh. Oh. This is my friend asking me how streaming is going. Well, I am live right now. Surprise? 935? Yeah, 935 issue by... I hate making changelogs. This is my least favorite part of making releases. 936, that one's surely a typo, right? Fixed typo. Okay, you don't get called out in the thing. 961. Documentation? Documentation. Cool. 965. I already know this one is useless. And then this one. Fixes. What is the cook called? Double quote something? Double quote string fixer. Double quote string fixer. Don't rewrite inside f strings. 3.12 plus. Ba, 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 973. Which is me. 970 European by me. And then 971 issue by this person. 971 issue by cool. You got Twitch got you there. I feel like the add permitted term there is not the best, but yeah, this is what Twitch auto-modded you for. I mean, I feel like I shouldn't permit this term either, but This is unrelated to it's just Twitch being stupid. Uh, 4.0. Okay, I've got to edit all these. Recommand hooks. We're going to 4.5.0. Did that one. Oop. Don't fuck that up. It commit dash n dash mv5 4.5.0. Does remove permitted term work? Let's see. Remove. Unrecognized command remove. Yeah, I have to find it in the fucking dashboard. Dude, else can you do that? I feel like you have permission to do that. Silence! Sanity, which build system would you recommend? Hatchling doesn't even matter. I just use boring ass setup tools and it works fine for me. But whenever you want to use, it does not matter as long as it's not poetry. I'm kidding, of course, but only slightly serious. But yeah, I just use boring ass. Oh look, it worked. Nice. I just use boring ass setup tools. It works well enough for me. Chatting on a yoinked phone says, "Ah, it was you. I could have sworn I watched someone who snapped a keyboard and half proudly. I lost your channel for a while. Well, welcome back. Did you have a different name before? I feel like you had a different name before. Because you were here in 2021. Did you change your name? Vinny KME is also here. Hello. What's your favorite coding font? Ubuntu Mono? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. I remember someone ages ago asking if you'd snapped your keyboard in half and you were messing with it. I feel like that happens every stream, Orimus. I feel like that's a common occurrence. Okay, I think this patch is fine, but we need to good code change like a ghost. I need to check on this as well. 99%, we're almost there. Our tests are slow. I am actually gonna fill up my water though. I will be right back. Alexis Frag, hello. Time to update pre-commits and hooks. What is the plan for Hacktoberfest? Just fucking ignore it, Lamau. I don't think anyone. I feel like fewer people are gonna do it this year. Because there's no t-shirts. Which is good, because then I don't have to deal with the garbage. But I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Okay, this test is passed, which means all the deploy is continuing. Hooray. The other thing that I was gonna do is look at... Oh, I already have it open. Cool. Defaultdict does, which is a rewrite for pyupgrade that someone else did. Is that really a thing? I feel like that's not that useful. I've also never seen that. Yeah, this does not work. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, they're different. Yeah, we gotta fix this one at least. Because that does not work. Is there a complex 0 plus 0j? Yeah, so we gotta fix that too. Was in 3.12 can I get a performance boost? Has everyone noticed that in a prod code base? Oh, you're stuck on 3.8. 3.11 had a significant boost, 3.12 has one too. I mean, honestly, everything after 3.6 did. Yeah, there's a few problems here. This can be complex. It's not always float here. We gotta handle that. I'm gonna re-indent all these. We're gonna get code change like a ghost. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, I already have one there. Yeah, we'll reclone it anyway. Get remote add unknown platypus. I upgrade. Get fetch up. That worked. Okay. So this one, we need to make sure that it's gone. Gotta get rid of that one. So we're on the test. There should be a failing test because one actually isn't equivalent. This is gonna compile as a constant? It is, yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, interesting. There's also 0j, which is complex. I think those are the only problems. Hopefully. I'm just going to fix these, but a heads up to you. And the button that is slightly off screen. Marsha was streaming. What were you doing, Marsha? Hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Were you actually? Or are you back on your 2019 gig? Where you would host every stream. Do you remember that? I remember that. You went to Genshin Franche for Beldathis. Oh. That sounds fun. Beldathis, speaking of which, has resubbed at 34 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Be fun to see when they do a video in comparing the performance changes. I feel like I did this at some point. I don't know where it would be though. I feel like I did this at some point. Well, that was a weird error message. Key error pi. Oh my god, this is really fucked up. What the fuck happened here? 1592653589793234626433832. Anyway. 699-399-75105. Okay, that's where I know up to. 75105. Oh wait, 75105-820. 9749459. Okay, yeah, I know up to 9749445. This is what I know. This is what I know. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we also need to do complex. I feel like there are way too many tests here for stuff that does not actually matter. That's fine. Leo DX, hello, how you doing? And thank you for the bits, Baldadas. Appreciate that. We should have a failing trash now. We do. Cool. We could get cheeky. We could get cheeky here. Wow. Alright, let's fix our indentation on these. this really need 2 lines? It does. Fine. Am I having fun? I'm kind of having fun. Yeah. Look at my fancy dashboard, Marsha. Look at all the shiny Pokemon that I'm doing. And look, I can open it in the browser. Wow. Oh, I should check on work. Yeah. Oh, I got a notification. What is it? Resolved. Oh, okay. That's fine. Let's see if our release is successful. This is your Jira board? Jira board? Is that? No. No new issues so far. Let's hope you get a nice release. Bonk. Bonk! Funny how Sentry uses itself. It does, yeah. Not my problem. Commits 1. Files change 1.7k. Yep. 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 Okay. Anyway, this looks good so far. I don't really need to babysit this, but I probably should. Okay, cool. We'll let that go. Anthony finally deleting all the bad code? Yeah. Night Bogey says, have you ever heard anything about the forced to Java changes at Lyft? Do you mean Do you mean Stripe? That was at Stripe. Lyft didn't really do that. How do you get your thing to have a custom name instead of localhost? This is just the host name of this device. I didn't do anything special. It just worked. But yeah, now I can check on this in bed. Cool, huh? Yeah, I don't know what happened with that. I sold all my stock, so I also don't care. My stock ended up being worth like 20% of the value that I was promised, but whatever. I only care a little bit. These are not disparate cases. Lyft is a Python shop? Yeah, a good percentage of it. There's also a whole bunch of Go. I have to do this in 2 steps. I probably could have F'd at the same time instead of that, but this probably works better. So interesting thing about this is we could actually rewrite any default function call there. Cause this This is the same as this. Hey, Miss Sarma. Hello, hello, welcome. Did your stream Pokemon thing break? Song was closed because of an error? Oh, did it work? Did it detect the error? It looks like it's working. Yeah, pretty often Sword and Shield crashes. But yeah, it looks like it worked. There's some case where it doesn't catch that currently, and it happened last night, and I don't know why. But there's some bug with whatever area I'm in. But yeah, I have special code to check that the game crashes. Marza says, will you have more WAT videos? Maybe. The problem with them is they didn't do so well, except for the first couple. So I don't know. Some Pokemon Sword / Shield, more like Pokemon Crash / SH. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they're not as crashy as Scarlet and Violet, but they are pretty crashy. But yeah, my script recovers from crashes. Because it happens. It happens a lot. Annoyingly. All code sucks are similar to WAT. Yeah, that's true. I'll probably do some more of those. I have some ideas for some. I just haven't recorded them yet. Recording has been sporadic at best recently. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can just remove this here. And it'll work the same. It also says, I'm automating blocking PRs at work via GitHub Action. Just added a good amount of automation today. Really excited for people to not understand any of the changes. Made more tutorial-like videos, it would be better than all the fun stuff you make. I don't think that's true, because my tutorial videos don't do that well. I have lots of them, and they don't do that well. Yeah. Tina's mom found my videos. She was like, I was trying to learn some Python stuff and YouTube recommended this Anthony guy. Then she watched a bunch of my videos and then talked about it at dinner. She said she watched a few of them. And some of them she didn't understand. What's the da 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 da? When it presses right, it presses D. When it presses left, it presses A. This is it walking back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Oh, I have a video of it. Where is that? It should be this one? No, this is wah 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 wah. This one's different. This one's not da 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 da. But that's the last dated one. Where's the wah 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 wah? This one? No, this is the GameCube. SCP utility MacBook Pro desktop / this to media this. Okay, this is the, well, it's gonna be sideways, so sorry. But this is the da da da. See how it goes to the right and then left and then right and left. See how it's da da dying. And eventually it will detect a wiggly grass here. What's the difference between SCP and rsync? Rsync has way more support for other stuff. Yeah, so it detected this wiggly grass here, Now it warbles over to the wiggly grass and then encounters the Pokemon. That's what that one's doing. And it's trying to find not that Pokemon, but Delcatty instead. But that's what that one's doing right now. That's what the da-da-das are. It says, going to file proc self FD0 in Firefox redirects to file def null. That's pretty funny. It handles symlinks as redirects? Interesting. Interesting. James JJT, welcome, welcome. Beginner tutorial videos. I've done a bunch of them. You haven't seen them because they don't do well and they don't get recommended. What, did I push this? No. Git push up head dash F. Should check on this. I hate that this doesn't auto refresh. Watch most of your videos I passed on the ASC ones. Yeah, that's fair. I haven't done the ASC ones in a while anyway. All issues. None of these look important. Well, why the fuck do we have IE? Who has IE7 garbage? Must be from GitHub. GitHub must support IE7. God, I forgot about those conditional comments. The pasta says to use a to-do list. Sort of, but not really. Depends. Yeah, I have like random to-do files scattered around my home directory. Are they actually to-do lists? Not really. Do I actually follow them as sequential directions that I to-do in order? Absolutely not. But I guess, yeah, in some ways they are to-do lists. Just use Jira. Simply use Jira. Yeah. Fivehead, use Jira. Aiden, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Oh, please not Jira. Yeah. It's kind of my feel about Jira too. Is Jira a sauce you put on your burrito? You wish? I feel like it would taste terrible. You get a burned down chart in your teeth.
Yeah.
You get a product manager yelling at you about story points as you take a chomp. Look at those beans. Jira's way nicer now than when I used to use it. We're switching to it at job. I used Jira in 2009 and it sucked just as much as it sucks now. Only Nady, hello, how you doing? Dino says story points, sir. Yeah, they're all made up and they don't matter. I feel like some of the problem with the oh wait, I was gonna remove that line. Damn. Damn. B. Plugins defaultdict lambda. Yeah, like the test should pass here. Oh, except there's a syntax error. Stop. Die. Nope. Volsum Yup says what language is they working in? Python. But Agile, says Hayden. Yeah. I just thought of your playing with my joystick setup in Arma 3. Oh. Oh. Test.pram. Turn 1, 2, 3. Actions, not default dict, lambda f. Friends. You could probably even do from foo import def. Does this actually change behavior? Could reassign f after the fact. You could have f defined after this. You're sponsored by Chromebook or is Twitch injecting ads? Twitch is injecting ads into the stream. Yeah, it's not me. Yeah, wait. This does change behavior in a few rare cases. So we're just gonna skip this. Cool idea, but nope. Go away. Go away. All right, bump minor. Set that onto pyupgrade. Kubernetes says gotta run. Thanksgiving up in Canuckland. Oh, in the Great White fucking North. It's Thanksgiving Day. Hey, bud. Pour one out for me, you know. Grab yourself a Molson and have yourself a good fucking time. Hopefully it snows. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. Sorry. The Great White South for you? Technically, I cannot drive south to Canada from my current place. I'm very close, but I have to drive a little bit north. Why is your accent for Canada a mix of Irish and American? I mean, have you heard the what are they called? The Newfies? When they're going out for a rip? This is how I get cancelled. I'm hating on Canadians. I'm not even hating. I'm lamousing about Canadians. But anyway. Everything else that I want to do? Probably not. I've been slowly reducing my number of open pull requests. I'm getting close. This one's coming up on 3 years though. Thanks, CPython. It's so much that my BPO account mentioned this PR. And they went through a migration from BPO to GH and title changes. And now it's conflicting again. Not gonna land in 3.13 probably. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna rebase it right now, but anyway, I feel like today is gonna be a little bit of a shorter stream. I don't really have anything else I want to work on, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat lunch. So sorry for the short stream, but I still had fun nonetheless. But let's do my little wrap up. My name is Anthony. Yeah, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. I finally did the system design interview question thing that y'all have been asking for so long. Finally happened. It's a decent one, I guess. Something, I don't know. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join and stop by. Come hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. A YDC video when? It's on the list. I'll do it at some point. I still have to learn more about the actual parts. You can also see morning of video recording me. Oh, it's not previewing this one for some reason. This one's also morning of. Anyway, I've been bad about recording, so I gotta get better about that. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find somebody to raid.